Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Had to leave early, but I still had to do a live video for all of you today. This video is going to focus on finding the volume of shapes where all the sides are equal. Finding the volume of squares. Three-dimensional shapes where all the sides are equal. So volume of squares. That's what we're working on today. I kept my suit on for all of you. I kept on the suit. All right. We get out a marker, we get to get into it. So the volume equals the length times the width times the height. So I have the shape up here. Notice I drew the shape very small on purpose because I don't want you to focus. I don't want you to focus on how the shape looks. I want you to focus on the multiplication because all finding the volume is multiplying three different numbers. If you can multiply the length times the width times the height, you can find the volume. Now, in this square, the length is 5, the width is 5, and the height is 5. So to find the volume of this square, you just need to multiply 5 times 5 times 5. So we're going to pretend that this 5 doesn't exist right now. We're just going to multiply 5 times 5 to start. 5 times 5 equals 25. So the 25 is going to replace the 5 times 5 up here because 5 times 5 equals 25. So 25 times 5 is what we need to multiply together. I'm going to write that a little bit neater. So 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 5 equals 25, and then the 25 is going to replace the 5 times 5 up here. So we are looking at 25 times 5 now. That's what we need to multiply. We need to figure out what 25 times 5 is. And you know what? I am going to do that so it's more clear through the regrouping strategy. So 5 times 5 equals 25. We already know that. So the 5 and 25, we're going to put in the ones place. The 2 in the number 25, we're going to carry over to the tens place. 2 times 5 equals 10, plus 2 is 12. And our answer is 125. 25 times 5 equals 125. So 5 times 5 times 5. There we go. We have our answer. 125 centimeters cubed. That is our answer. I'm going to do one more. I'm going to do one more problem, and then I'm going to do another video around 4:15. All right. So same strategy, just different numbers. So let's say this next square's not drawn on a scale, but let's say it's a little bigger. Let's say the length is 8, the width is 8, and the height is 8. When all four sides are equal, then the length, width, and height is going to be the same amount. So finding the volume of this shape, we have to find 8 times 8 times 8. So we start off by multiplying 8 times 8. Pretend that's not even there. We're just going to multiply 8 times 8 to start off. So 8 times 8 equals 64. So the 64 is going to replace the 8 times 8 here. So we've multiplied 8 times 8 already, and we got 64. So now we need to multiply 64 times 8 to find the volume. 64 times 8. So we're going to use the multiplication with regrouping. So 4 times 8 equals 32. So the 2 in the number 32 we're going to put in the ones place. The 3 in the number 32 we carry over to the tens place. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 3 is 51. And that is our answer. 512 is our answer. I didn't put what the unit is, but I'd like to use centimeters, so let's just say that the unit for this is centimeters. 512 centimeters cubed. All right, that is my video for today. I'm probably going to do another video on volume around 4:15, 4:30. But I hope this was helpful, and let me know in the comments whether it was or not. Let me know if you better understand finding the volume. Let me know if there's anything you're confused on, if you have any questions. I will keep that in mind when I do my next video around 4:15. All right, have a great rest of the day, everybody.